Hi guys, good morning, good morning. Grabe, sobrang daming mga ganap last weekend. Ang daming mga events, ang daming mga runs. Sobrang saya, sobrang gulo, sobrang nakakatuwa. Along the way, while I was running, some of my friends and some of the runners there were asking, grabe, how can you run with all the costumes? Napansin siguro nila yung hirap, yung pagod, tapos yung isa naman, nagki-cape din siya, sabi niya, grabe, nakahawak lang ako ng cape pero ang bigat pala, how much more ikaw na full costume. So yun na guys, one of the reasons that pops out in my head is that why am I running in costume? I could be a lot faster, I could be a lot more efficient in running if hindi ako nag-costume. What are the challenges I'm facing every day when I run with costumes? Unang-una, yung init. Grabe, lalo na pag naka-full suit ako, talagang expect na mainit sa katawan. Sometimes, merong incident na hindi breathable yung ginamit ko. So, kaka-start pa lang, first 5 minutes pa lang, putok na yung heart rate ko sa sobrang init. It's because yung katawan ko hindi nakaka-regulate ng init ng masyado. Pangalawa, nagda-drag talaga yung costume mo. So, aside sa weight, may drag din siya. Lalo na yung wings. Grabe yung wings, hindi ka basta-basta nakakatakbo ng mabilis. Because when you run faster, sinasalubong niya yung hangin. So, lalo kang babagal, lalong bibigat yung pakiramdam mo habang tumatakbo ka. Isa sa mga huge factors for me to choose kung anong costume gagamitin ko is yung ventilation and breathability. Pag nakamask ka kasi, ang hirap huminga. Tumatakbo ka na nga, nahihirapan ka na nga huminga. Tapos tatakpan pa yung bibig tsaka ilong mo. So that's one of those factors na talagang kino-consider ko every time I choose my costume. So, bakit nga ba ako parating nagko-costume pag tumatakbo? Actually guys, that's also one of the questions I ask myself. But then again, whenever I run with costumes, sa bawat bata nag-high five, sa bawat stranger nag-i-smile back sa akin, sa bawat let's go na sinasabi sa akin and sinasabihan din nila ako na let's go, that truly inspires me and gives me more power para tumakbo. It's because nababalidate yung feeling na you somehow inspire, you somehow touch the lives of others, and that influences them to also love running. It's the reason why kahit nahihirapan ako mag-costume, pinipili ko pa rin na tumakbo with them. And hopefully, at the end of the day, maiisip nila or ma-remember nila sa run nila, uy, si costume runner tumakbo kanina, tumakbo siya kasama namin kanina. That's one of those validating points na talagang tatatak sa loob ko every time I go home. Take note, at this point, running is not about finishing the line. Running is not about crossing the finish line. It's also about doing something that you love, doing something that inspires. And that's the reason why tumatakbo ako na naka-costume kahit na mahirap. Anyways, quick ad lang. Currently naka-sale ang mga Kyodan shoes. I'm currently wearing DS2 version 2 ng Kyodan. Meron din akong Wind. So those are my typical daily trainers. I hope this video inspires others as well. That's it for now. Costume Runner here, signing off.